Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to walk you through my day as an IT professional. It all starts bright and early when I get up and get dressed for work. Comfort is key, so it's typically some combination of business casual and tech-worthy attire. After a quick breakfast, I'm off to the office, laptop in hand. I get to the office a little before 8, and the day quickly fills up with all the necessary IT tasks to keep the gears turning. I spend a majority of the day troubleshooting technology-related issues, managing databases, preparing company reports, or responding to helpdesk calls. I often help develop software, as well as help data storage and architecture to ensure everything runs smoothly across the board. At lunchtime, I usually grab a quick bite at the local cafe, or swap stories and tips on IT with my colleagues if we can find a free moment. After that, it's right back to meetings, analyzing issues, configuring security protocols, and finding new ways to optimize technology for our team and our clients. I also spend some of my day communicating, both with our external customers and with other departments. At the end of the day, around 5 or 6, I'm usually ready to wrap up my work and say goodbye to the office. But, truth be told, the IT professional life doesn't end when I leave the office. I'm always prepared to shoot off an email if something urgent comes up, even if it's just to check in and see if anyone requires any immediate assistance. So that's been a typical day in the life of an IT professional. It's both demanding and rewarding, as I'm constantly learning something new and discovering innovative ways to use technology. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.